just made a bag, I'm up the sun. Pulled up in a foreign dawn, yeah, I'm up the sun. With that work, flip that bag, yeah, we up the sun.
Yo, here we are. We're down in South Philly off of 15th and Reed. I got my man White with me. Look, say what's up, White.
What's going on, guys?
All right, look.
You know what we're doing?
So the boss man is here.
Cause I don't know what I'm doing.
You know, we're gonna go over a heat pump unit. Heat pump unit. It's not coming on. The brake is tripping. So we're gonna check to see if we're gonna go look for ground. And it's grounded somewhere. Either the compressor or the fan motor's grounded. And we're looking at to replace this unit anyway. But we're gonna make sure we give this homeowner the right option. It's 3 apartments. That condenser was replaced not too long ago. It's a pain in the ass to get up here. Look, we have to pull this ladder up from down there to this deck and then put it up here. But then again, you know, White, he's on steroids, so he was able to pull it up by himself. He didn't need my help. But here we go, right? So White, why don't you put the leads on the meter? On the text for ground on the compressor, okay? And we're gonna put that on continuity. All right. So now, what I need you to is go from one lead to ground, the ground wire down here. Go to the other lead. All right, nothing, right? All right, now we're gonna do the fan motor. So we can pull this is a fan motor here. Pull that off. Go, grab that one, go to ground. All right, so, all right, well, give me about 5 minutes and I'm gonna put this on pause and then I'm gonna return with the video. All right, guys, we're back. So the reason why we got a bad compressor here, but we're gonna also figure out giving them a new system for this apartment. All right, so here we are. We're in an apartment building. Each apartment's only like 700 square feet. Someone loaded them up with 2.5 ton condensers for each apartment. So they're a little oversized, way oversized for each apartment. Air conditioning, these units are probably just like starving for air, number one. Number two, cycling on and off. So these units aren't gonna last long. Here's a typical issue with, once again, with these so-called HVAC mechanics and people downgrading our field here. They do it all the time here in Philadelphia. They say to us, our trade is limited. Our trade is not limited. If you're knowledgeable, you know it's not limited. But unfortunately, we have contractors and general GCs out here that want to say, hey, we're limited because the city will give a permit to anyone, unfortunately. But what's limited is their knowledge of knowing what the hell they're doing, okay? That's what's limited. We got guys that are putting air conditioning units together. They're oversizing apartments, houses, undersizing ductwork. It happens all the time. That's why I stay in business. This is where I make money. I make money from the guys that don't know how to do HVAC. How's that? That's how we make money. All right? That's where we make a living from. All right? Correcting their messed up issues. But anyway, we're going to correct this one. All right? We got a bad compressor, and then we got 3 oversized units. So this is what we call this, an opportunity to stay busy and correct a building, and also give a homeowner, the building owner, where they need it. All right, talk to you guys. Man, listen, me and White, we figured out what was the problem there. The problem was the air conditioning unit not working right because the compressor's bad. White told me you guys wanted to see me, so I guess
really want to see me.
I guess that's why you guys are gonna hit him up. Like, I know it ain't for the information; it's for this. Look. All right, but anyway, right? We're gonna hook it up, and we're gonna give the customer some options, and we'll take care of him. You know, we will see which way he wants to go with it. We'll see where he wants to go. We'll keep you guys posted. Thank you. Say bye.
These guys.